Hi! Sa inyong tanan din ana, sa akong mga amiga og sa dili kaila. So today we will continue to our basic French and translate to Visayan English to French. But before we start that guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kanadyan Tisay, and click down below. So here, so let's start from this is basic English French. This is general question for the daily conversation. So let's start it. What do you want to eat? Unsay imong gusto kaunon? In French, tu veux manger quoi? Or you could also say qu'est-ce que tu veux manger? Tu veux manger quoi? Qu'est-ce que tu veux manger? Who is it? Who is it? Who turn is it? Unsa ni siya? Si aki. Si aki. Did you call your mother? Gitawagan nimo imong mama? Atu apili ta mère? Atu apili ta mère? Who was is it? Who was is it? Si tiki. Si tiki. Who was it? Kan kinsa ni si tiki. Sorry. Excuse me. These are two are expression only, but sorry in French you could in good translation is désolé. Excuse me is supposed to be excuse me, but this one you could say comma because some conversation, let's say someone asks you for something and you don't hear it, you would say excuse me, comma, or you would say pardon. So how was your vacation? Kumusta imong bakasyon? Kama iti ti vacances. Kama iti ti vacances. Next, did you call for appointment? Did you call for appointment? Nagtawag ka og appointment? Or nagtawag ka na og appointment? Atu apili for un rendezvous? Atu apili for un rendezvous. This one, what? Unsa? Kwa? Why? Nganuman? Pourquoi? No way. Okon faso. Do you love me? Gihigugma ba ka ako nimo? Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Here. How come you have not called me? Nanong wala man ko nimo gitawagan? Kama sa sifi que tu ne m'as pas appelé. Kama sa sifi que tu ne m'as pas appelé. Here. So let's see if you're going for vacation. and you don't know where exactly the toilet. So you're asking someone, asa dapit diri ang toilet? Where are the toilet? So li toilet. So li toilet. How was your school? Let's say you came home and you asked your friend or you asked your kids, how was your school? Kumusta imong eskwela? Kama itsi ton ikol. Kama itsi ton ikol. Next, can I have your phone number? Pwede pa ngayon ako imong phone number? Can I have your phone number please? Est-ce que je peux avoir ton numéro de téléphone s'il te plaît? Est-ce que je peux avoir ton numéro de téléphone s'il te plaît? Some other use s'il vous plaît. They are all the same. S'il te plaît, s'il vous plaît. Next, what do you do for living? Unsay imong gibuhat karon? Nagtrabaho ka? And friends, qu'est-ce qui te fait de la vie? Qu'est-ce qui te fait de la vie? Qu'est-ce qui te fait de la vie? For living, de la vie. Next, how did you get here? Giunsa nimo pag-anhi diriya or giunsa nimo pag-abot diriya? Nag-drive ka, nag-taxi ka, or nag-bus ka? How did you get here? Kama itu arrivé ici. Kama itu arrivé ici. Next, do you have a car? Naa kay sakyanan? Do you have a car? As-tu une voiture? As-tu une voiture? Or you could ask this also, est-ce que vous avez une voiture? Est-ce que vous avez une voiture? Voiture is a car. Vous savez is have. You have. Est-ce que vous savez une voiture? Let's see. You're working with something and you ask someone, or someone is working and you ask something. Are you done? Humana ka na ba? As-tu fini? Est-ce que tu as fini? You could ask these two questions. As-tu fini? Or est-ce que tu as fini? Est-ce que tu as fini?